think there's a lunar eclipse right now, but I can't tell. I didn't look it up, but I think I heard something. So I'll look it up. Let me look and see. I think it is. I'll look on the computer and see. Yes, I think there's a lunar eclipse. I'm just recording on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So no full camera right now. Alright, nice. Yeah, I just finished eating dinner and I was watching the second before the last episode of Manifest. I was watching that on Netflix. So I had one more episode to go and I looked out the window, as I usually do, and I saw the shadow. I was like, whoa. Actually, I think I've heard people online talking about it. Usually, I just haven't been recording them over the past few years like before. Not as frequent. I figured I'd come in. I mean, it's not like the best video, obviously. There you go. My pictures will do better. Okay, it's about approximately 40 minutes later. I don't think I want to record anymore. I'm not seeing too much difference. So.